Butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. It is also known as bound ankle pose or Cobbler's pose. This pose improves flexibility of the muscles of the inner thighs, hips, and the groins. In Sanskrit, Baddha means bound, Kona means angle, and Asana means pose. Baddha Konasana can be practiced as a preliminary pose to create flexibility of the groins, hips, and legs. This flexibility will help one to sit in meditative postures for a long duration. Begin in Dandasana. As you inhale, bend the knees and bring the soles of the feet together. In this position, the hips may be in a postural tilt. To adjust the hips to neutral, place your hands behind of the legs. When you inhale, slowly press your body up with the help of the hands. Lean the body slightly, and you're able to bring the sitting bones anchored into the mat instead of the sacrum. Hold the feet with the hands and draw the heels towards the groins. Wrap your interlaced fingers around the feet and hold it. Inhale, lengthen the spine as you exhale. Squeeze your buttocks to bring the knees down into the ground. Try to keep the knees as close to the ground as possible, but do not force it. In this position, the soles of the feet and toes are pressing together. The chest is lifted and the back straight. The arms are fully extended with the eyes closed. Stay here for a minute. Breathe slowly and steadily with awareness. Once you have mastered this position with the heels close to the groins and the outer part of the legs and knees pressing into the ground, you can proceed to lean your body forward. Before bending forward, readjust the hips to bring the hips slightly anterior tilt. Try to keep the soles of the feet together, otherwise, just maintain the outer part edge of the feet together. As you inhale, raise your arms to the sides of the head. Keep squeezing the buttocks to maintain the outer part of the legs and the knees grounded. As you exhale, hinge your hips to bring the body closer towards the feet. You may adjust the hips side to side to bring the head of the femur bone into the socket. Reach your arms out of the front. This will bring your chest closer to the feet. In this position, maintain your knees grounded. You can feel the pressure of the hips and the stretches of the inner thighs. In the final position, your chest is touching your feet. Hold the position for as long as you're comfortable without any strain. To release the position, inhale, hold the hands towards the feet and lift it up to the sides of the head. As you exhale, lower the arms down. As you lean back, draw your knees together with the hands. Legs out to the front, back into Dandasana to reset the hips.